Good morning, guys. I left this printing last night. It's a B-29. I don't think it was actually designed to be printed like this. I think it was somebody's experiment in 3D modelling. So I have printed it. There's a lot of support layers there. Which will be fun to try and get off. There's a lot of fine detail there. Yeah, that's going to take a while to see if we can clean it up. Hi guys, had a request. Canis Rigel M06 wanted me to 3D print a B-29 bomber. Now, I'm hoping he didn't mean a full-sized one or even a flying model aeroplane, because that would just take years of printing, or even a model aeroplane would take days or weeks. But I did spot this one on Thingiverse. Don't think it was designed to be printed, or if it was designed to be printed, it wasn't with an ordinary 3D printer. It was one of those liquid ones, which I forget the name of. So I printed this. It's actually hollow and very thin, so the top has gone a little bit off, and it's printed more support layers than it has model aeroplane. All this area underneath is all support layers, which you've got to try and get off without breaking it. There's even some wheels under there, which I fully expect to break off when we try and get it apart. But we'll have a go. Yeah, I think the plane is thinner than the support layers. Oh, they don't want to come off. Try and get it in sections. There's a real mess in there. Well, after a lot of rework to get all the support layers off, it is at least recognisable as a B-29. It doesn't have any turrets on it, but there were versions of it that flew without turrets, so that bit's not a problem. We haven't got wheels on there now, so not a problem if it's flying. And if I turn it over, you'll see it doesn't look quite so good. I have spent quite a while trying to clean that up. So it was the wrong type of file to try and print from, but we have got a 3D printed B-29, which from a distance doesn't look too bad, or if we use soft focus. Oh, obviously it hasn't got propellers on it either, but then if it was flying you wouldn't see them. That's as far as I'm going with this one anyway. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.